with Compass Home Group, and I am in Forest Hill at Board and Brush Creative Studio, a DIY workshop where you can come and build crafts together with your family, with your friends. Let's go inside and talk to Allison Bell and find out more about Board and Brush here in Forest Hill. Okay, here we are inside Board and Brush with Allison Bell, the owner of this shop here in Forest Hill. Hi, Allison.
Hi.
Thank you for opening up your shop to us today to talk about things. So first, tell us a little about the shop. When did you get started and things like that?
Oh, fun times. We opened March 1st, right before COVID, and we closed March 15th. We were able to still make projects for people. So we are workshop based, we're a franchise, and we do workshops. They're instruction led. So you go to our website, you come in, you have your project ready for you in front of you, and we lead you through how to do the project from the very start, from pine wood, blank bare pine wood, until the finished product, and you leave with something that is beautiful and wonderful that you're proud of.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you have some freedom as far as what you want to make. You would, you're not open, you don't have hours that you're open, but you have workshops that you do. And then, so how do people go about getting into those workshops?
Right, so they go to our website, it's boardandbrush.com/Forest Hill, and you go to our calendar, and on our calendar, it has all of our workshops that are available, and you can hover over it and it will tell you how many seats are available and how many are total for the whole night, and then you pick out your project and you pay right there before you come in.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So it's nice that you can pretty much, the person next to you or on this side of you could be making something totally different.
Exactly.
You can make whatever you want.
Yes.
That's nice.
Yes.
I like the freedom in that.
Right, freedom. We need freedom.
We need that because we're so restricted in something. Okay, so great. And what would you say is maybe your most popular piece that people come in to make?
Well, I definitely think that there's more popular pieces depending on the season. So right now we have a couple different Christmas countdowns, which are very popular. Our porch signs are really common and popular. And then we just have some general ones that you can get with your last name. A lot of people like their family name or their established date, that sort of thing.
And you told me you're BYOB.
We are BYOB.
Nice.
I mean, what fun to paint and drink.
Yes, right? So you can get together with your friends or your family and have a fun night together. Right. Do you do any sort of special workshops for cater towards groups?
We do. We have corporate events. We do private events for birthday parties, bachelorette parties. We do children's parties, adults parties. Like I said, corporate events or team events like soccer
team
teams.
building exercise,
team building. We do all of that. Yes.
Cool. Okay. And children, there's an age range that you do?
Yeah, we recommend 7 and up, just because of the process, and you have to be able to, sit up on the stool and paint and listen to the directions. Our adult workshops they're called PYP, Pick Your Project. They're 3-hour workshops, and we do 16 and older for that. Okay. We do offer family workshops that are sometimes age specific, maybe 11 and up, because we're using stain, using hammers. So just for safety, and they're kind of sprinkled throughout the month on the calendar.
So in addition to the groups that you do, what are some other things that you offer here at Board and Brush?
Well, so additional groups that we offer, which is really fun, are wedding parties, bachelorette parties. You can make signs for the wedding. You can bring all of your bridesmaids in and make a sign for the actual event, which is kind of fun. But we also offer pre-made signs and at-home kits.
Oh, great. That'd be nice for now times when we're staying home a little bit more, so people can take them home and do them there.
Yep. So you would go to our website and you go to the shop tab, and there's a bunch of designs that you can choose from. You pick out what you like, and then we get the order, we pre-stain the wood for you, and we send you home with everything to make it at home.
Oh, great.
We also offer, like for now, people want like a homemade gift or handmade gift, but they're not able to come in, so you can also go on that Shop Now tab and pick out any of the signs there, and we'll make the sign for you. It typically takes us 3 to 5 days to get it done.
So like a gift item.
Yes.
That they don't have time to make.
Right.
We're so busy.
But it's homemade.
But it's homemade. Oh, that's right. They don't ever need to know.
You know.
I like that. That's great.
Yeah.
So if we want to sign up for a workshop, they're online. And anytime we can go on to, what's the website?
boardandbrush.com/Forest Hill. Our location is Forest Hill. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook. We have a lot of posts and lots of ideas on there too.
Oh, good. Okay. Well, You heard it. If you are looking for something creative to do with your family, with your friends, the holidays, a gift item, come on down to Board and Brush in Forest Hill. Check them out on their website. Meet with Allison Bell and make a project with your friends.